Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to send a message to a community admin in WhatsApp Web. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp Web application on your computer or open the WhatsApp website in your browser. Step 2. Go to the community you are in. Locate the community chat in your WhatsApp Web interface. Step 3. Click on the highlighted part of only community admins can send messages. It usually appears at the top of the chat window. Step 4. This will open a chat with the current community admin. Step 5. Type in the message you want and hit send, and that's it. You've successfully sent a message to the community admin in WhatsApp Web. It's a convenient way to communicate with the admin and address any queries or concerns you may have. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.